Hello friends, my name is Farooq Kaiser. Without wasting any time, I would like to share an issue with you guys. The issue was I was having water draining problem in my 2 showers. And this week, eventually it became worse. The water was not draining at all. And I did not know what to do. And the reason you are here on my channel or searching on YouTube, because maybe you are having the same issue. So you are at the right place. So my friend, this morning I called a plumbing company because I don't know how to fix those things. I'm not a plumber nor a handyman. So guess what? The plumbing company said they will charge me $150 to come and see the issue and additional $60 an hour to get it fixed. Can you imagine $60 an hour, $150 to come and inspect the issue? It's almost like, robbery, or like for some people it's maybe more than 8 hours of wage or whole day wage. Well, if you are rich, you can spend that much money. Currently, I don't have job, so I felt why I should not go and try by myself before calling anybody else. So this is the encouragement and motivation for you guys. Before calling a plumber or a plumbing company, try by yourself, and if you cannot fix, then call anybody else, because there is no motor, no engine, no mechanical anything there, no electronics there. So there is no concern, no fear that you will destroy anything there. Just a piece of metal and a screw there, and easily you can open it and have a look at it. So let's go in the shower and see what I did, and maybe you can do the same and save $100 bucks. You just need a hand tool, screwdriver, which is the flat screwdriver. Most of the household they have already. If not, go to Walmart or any hardware like Ace Hardware or Home Depot, Lowe's, anywhere you can find this easily for a couple of bucks. And then what I used, this is the floral cable. This you can get from the Walmart as well, Ace Hardware, or Hobby Lobby. The floral cable. So what I did, I cut in half and I bent like this with my fingers and a small bend like this. Then, so when it's this, just open this. You don't need any tool, just with your fingers. Your fingers open this, and then you need this flat head screwdriver to open this like this, and it opens. And try to pull everything like this. Most of the things I pulled with my finger like this, and what I could not, I use the metal wire to take out the things from the hole, the deeper. This. And my both bathroom was like clogged. And see, this was the easy fix without spending any money. You can use the gloves. I forgot to put gloves, so to protect your skin. You can, it's always a good idea to use gloves, kitchen gloves or medical gloves. So before closing it or putting things together back, use any bathroom cleaner or shower cleaner, any sort of detergent, and clean it the whole, otherwise, because there's a lot of things. Use the brush. So that would remove any kind of the smell it has because of the clogged. And now let's put this first here. Super easy. You don't need any tool to put this back. Only when you are opening you need, and just need to slide it. Okay? And then this goes on the top of this, but you don't need any. Goes with Friends, I hope this video helped you. If so, please do subscribe my channel and give me some like or dislike and press the bell icon, and see you next video. Take care and God bless you. Bye.